As we close out on term 1 this year, your teen has likely had back some assessment results to think about, some exam grades, or maybe they just noticed along the way that the expectations on them and their work have ramped up a little bit. And I've had a couple of parents write into me trying to either figure out why their son or daughter got a certain result that was maybe a little below their expectations, or commenting on the fact that their teen has struggled to get to grips with some of the tasks they've been faced with, despite going okay with things the year before. Well, this situation is actually very closely linked to a blog video I made a while ago called "What Got You Here Won't Get You There." And so I'll link to that in the notes of this video. But today I want to dig a little bit deeper into this statement for this specific time of year now. So let's say that at the end of last year, a student was performing at a particular level in their particular subjects. And that was, of course, though, after a whole year of teaching and learning at that year level's requirements and standards. And right now, they're working at the criteria and standards a year above that, and with only having had one term of being taught and of learning at that level. So they still have another 2/3 or 3/4 of the year to still master these standards and climb up those criteria levels. Now, of course, the faster they can do that by either working on their exam technique, the quality of their written communication, developing their learning techniques that are most effective for them personally, their revision strategies, the faster they can master all of those, the better. But right now, I'm making this video to help you and your teen see what's going on, if they've been disappointed by any early results so far, and to give some of the reasons why this might be. And of course, if they're doing great, then that's awesome, and they can still use this video to help them continue to level up throughout the year. But it's about considering the amount of teaching and learning they've had and how those expectations will have jumped since they were working at them last year. So I'm Katie Bryce, Great Transformation Expert, and if you have a comment or a question that you'd like me to respond to or address on a blog video like this, then just email me. It's katie.price@rocksolidstudy.com.au. And if you know any other parents or students that might find this video useful, please feel free to share or forward it to them. And until next week, let's make this a fantastic week.